So good morning. I got the temperature down here to 21 degrees. And let's see how we're starting. Perfect. And just as a reminder, the cold start valve is not activated until 15 degrees. So the change of the tubes yesterday, and I also changed the covers, injector covers as well, since I was at it. I guess that improved the entire idle speed situation, and now the pressure remains a lot better since I changed the cold start valve, and it doesn't leak into the intake anymore. I could see in the rubber hoses on the intake side, on the rubber side, not in the rubber side, in the inside the tube which attaches to the holder bracket where the cold start valve mounts to, fuel in there, little fuel drippings, residues, and that means that the cold start valve actually was leaking. And that caused the delay in the in starting the car up. As you can see, we went right up, and we're idling now at 750, and we're doing pretty good here for the temperature and everything. What needs to work or should work, and it is cold, I can tell you that much. Well, you have a great day.